कुछ नज़ारे सिर्फ नज़ारे ही नहीं होते, वो एक अलग ही फील होती है यार।
Hi guys and good morning. So welcome back to my channel that is Brewing Happiness, and it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's 24th of December 2020, and I've literally just woke up and it's 6:30 a.m. right now. So I'm leaving for somewhere. So now I have to get ready quickly and I'll see you after that. So finally I'm ready and I'm leaving for airport. That's Chandigarh airport. So yeah, quite excited. To be honest, I'm not a winter person, but the place where I'm going, obviously you must be knowing from the title of the video. So there it will be like really cold. So I'm kind of scared also whether I'll be able to survive those winters or not. But I'm excited and this is my first time. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna be. So finally I have reached airport and going for check-in and everything. अब तो सब कुछ ऑनलाइन ही हो गया. I mean, web check-in was there, which was mandatory, so that is done. So we are inside the airport and यहाँ पे like we already got our boarding pass online and we are going in the Indigo flight. And now I'm just gonna go and submit the bags, have some breakfast, then take off. Hopefully flight will be on time. I have reached to Srinagar and temperature over here is 4 degrees. Like I have worn everything, jackets, and I am like wearing 2-3 layers of clothes, so it's fine as of now. But yeah, let's see. So right now we have stopped at this place for lunch, which is Krishna Dhaba, and this place is quite famous for its delicious food. So we have just ordered chana puri and masala dosa and some coffee. Also, when we were coming from airport, there's a mandatory COVID test that you have to take. So we went through that. So we'll just have our lunch and then we'll go to our boat house. Hi guys, so this is day 1 in Kashmir and this is my boat house in which I'm staying. The name of this boat house is Yadgar Boat House. So let me give you a quick tour of it and let's see what's inside it. Come on. So once you come inside, we go to this little corridor and let me give you a glimpse of how the room looks like. So as you can see, this corridor itself looks so beautiful. I think it's all made up of wood, but that will confirm from the owner of this boat. So okay, ठीक है, come on. This is the beautiful room, little and sweet and warm and cozy. So here's a double bed and here's a single bed if you want. You can just look at the decor, it's so pretty, like the wall sceneries and everything, including the carpet which is there on the ground. So there's a little dressing table over here, and here you'll find a mirror again. And now let me give you a glimpse of the washroom. So this is the washroom and it has a nice tub, 24/7 running water, and that too hot water. So yeah, that's a little cute washroom. So now moving on towards the dining and common area. There are total 4 rooms in this houseboat, and if you're able to hear a little bit of creaking sound in the background, that's because of the wooden flooring and because I'm walking and the cameraman is walking. So let me give you a glimpse of this is the dining area. Look how pretty it is. And ये हैं जावेद भाई, राइट? तो यहाँ पे पूरी टेक केयर करते हैं इस बोट की. तो जावेद भाई आप बताएंगे कि ये कितना पुराना बोट हाउस है एंड इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइक कौन से मटेरियल से हुआ है? 29 के लिए 29 इयर्स हो गए हैं इसको. ओके, सो इट्स 29 इयर्स ओल्ड एंड ये पूरा वुडन का बना हुआ है या फिर कुछ और भी यूज होता है? देवदार का. एंड लुक एट द डेकोर ओवर हियर, इट्स सो प्रिटी. even the crockery over here is well designed and well kept. So now once we come through this beautiful dining area, you'll find this amazing common area, and this is the heating system. I mean, this is the heater over here, क्योंकि रात में बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे ठंड होती है. Around -15-16 degrees तक temperature will go. So once you come through this, you will find the most beautiful part of this boat house, which is this balcony. Okay. So this has this beautiful sitting area where you can just chill and relax, and this amazing view. So peaceful, so calm, and to be honest, the water is not really clean, but the view is beautiful. And I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy my Kashmiri kahwa, and then go for Dal Lake. So this is kahwa, the special Kashmiri kahwa. You should stay in the shores of Nagin Lake instead of Dal Lake because it's quite peaceful and calm as compared to Dal Lake. That's quite noisy. So yeah. Hi guys, so now we have come to Mughal Gardens and you have to pay ₹24 over here. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. आप पीछे क्यों जा रहे हैं कैमरा? आप आगे आइए. मौसम काफ़ी ठंडा और सुहावना है और आपको यहाँ पे आने के लिए आपको केवल मात्र 24 रुपये की टिकट की पर्ची देनी पड़ती है, की पर्ची लेनी पड़ती है. Now we have come up to Nishat Gardens, Nishat with a T, and बहुत like ठंडी हो रही है यहाँ पे. So you have to buy a ticket of ₹24 for this gardens, and बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. Okay, nice. So here we are entering and weather is like really chilled and cold, but it's amazing. At my back is the Dal Lake. So okay, I'll just show you around. अभी विंटर्स में यहाँ पे ज़्यादा फ्लावर्स वगैरह नहीं है एंड इट्स अराउंड 5:30 एंड आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो कि बहुत ज़्यादा फॉग हो रही है and it's really cold. I'm just gonna cover my face because I'm freezing. So let me just show you around. This is how it looks in winters. You can see mountains at the back. And it's like that. There was nothing much in Nishad Park, so and also plus it was so cold and अंधेरा भी हो रहा था और कुछ ज़्यादा देखने को है नहीं, स्पेशली इन विंटर्स कुछ फ्लावर्स वगैरह नहीं थे. So we are just stepped down and हम लोग यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मार्केट में घूमेंगे and this is like गर्मा गर्म कावा. Awesome. You should try this kava if you are coming to Kashmir. So right now I have come to this really cute cafe which is Winterfell. It's inspired with Game of Thrones theme. So we are thinking to do food hopping at different cafes and yeah, that's about it. Now we have come to this place which is Lhasa. Lhasa or Lhasa? Lhasa. It's Lhasa and let's see how it is. Cozy है. Right now I am in the gondola and अभी electricity is gone. I'm stuck in between. मेरी हालत थोड़ी सी टाइट हुई है. Yesterday something happened which I'm gonna tell later.